Welcome to our step-by-step guide on replacing flooded batteries with Discover AGM batteries in a scissor lift. Whether you're an experienced technician or a first-time DIYer, this video will walk you through the process safely and efficiently. Let's get started. Before we begin, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear protective gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from potential hazards. Ensure the scissor lift is turned off and parked on a stable, flat surface. With your safety gear on, start by carefully disconnecting the battery cables. Begin with the negative cables, followed by the positive. This reduces the risk of sparks. Use insulated tools to avoid accidental short circuits. Once the cables are removed, it's time to take out the flooded batteries. Using a removable battery handle, gently lift each battery out of its compartment. Remember, batteries can be heavy, so lift with your knees, not your back, to prevent injury. Now that the old batteries are out, it's time to install the new Discover AGM batteries. These batteries are maintenance-free and offer superior performance. Carefully position each AGM battery into the designated slots. Ensure that each battery is securely seated before moving on to the next one. With all 4 batteries in place, reconnect the cables. Start by attaching the positive cables first, then the negative. This method minimizes the chance of a short circuit. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Loose connections can lead to poor performance or potential safety hazards. Close the battery compartment door and make sure it is locked securely. With everything in place, it's time to test your work. Power on the scissor lift and check for any error signals. Test the lift to ensure it operates smoothly and efficiently with the new batteries. Make sure you select the right charger profile according to Discover Battery's validated profiles list. If you have any questions, please get in contact with your battery dealer. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the flooded batteries with Discover AGM batteries in your scissor lift. Remember, regular maintenance extends the life of your equipment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.